Third thing, Google text-to-speak language. In Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find general management, and then tap general management. Select language and input. And then tap text to speak output. On preferred engine, select set as Google text to speak. Tap preferred engine to change, and then tap Google text to speak engine. Now preferred engine as Google text to speak engine, and then select language. Select language you want, for example Arabic.
বাংলায় কথা বলার জন্য এটি একটি উদাহরণ।
China.
这是一个中文语音合成的范例。
Or other language.
Ini adalah contoh sintesis suara dalam bahasa Indonesia.
Or just system language.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.